Hey, and what's up? I am here with the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, and it's really cool. I brought it somewhere in LA. Well, I forgot the store what it was called, so never mind that. So I really recommend the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's fun to play with, and I always play with it all the time. And it's really fun to play with, and I'm gonna unscramble it, so I'll be back and unscramble it. Hey, and I'm done unscrambling it, so I'm gonna figure it out. So, let's see. And over here, and wait. And I'm done unscrambling it. So that was really quick. And I know this is a quick video, so thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up and comment down below, and I hope you like it. See you later. Bye.